Upon receipt of the unit, please check the outer parts for looseness. Check whether the internal misalignment. Check whether the brake fluid is sufficient. Check if there is any foreign matter stuck in the belt. Connect the 380V power supply. Turn on the power switch. Close it. The DBT control panel will light up. Turn the key to ignition. Please note that the green, red and knobs can be adjusted at will, and other buttons should not be adjusted to avoid modifying the internal parameters. Press the green button during operation. The inverter has begun to work. Adjust the knob to increase the speed. You can see that the inner part has started to rotate. It is not permitted to touch the internal mechanism with your hands during startup. When the speed reaches 50, press the brake pedal firmly at this point. The real-time status can be seen through the screen. The brake pedal will give a rebound effect when pressed. Press the red button and close the knob after use. For oil pressure gauges can be used without starting the motor by pressing the brake pedal. The 4 oil pressure gauges can be observed in real time. Use a multimeter to adjust to 20 volts DC. Connect the negative pole of the black pen and the red pen to the signal voltage to be measured. Connect the OBD. Select the corresponding car model. Enter the corresponding system. Select the brake system. Click OK and read the current fault code. Currently showing no faults. 8 corresponding fault points can be set using the remote control. Details of the faults can be found on the right-hand side of the unit. Start the device normally and connect the OBD. Read the data stream of left front and right front, left rear and right rear. Connect the multimeter at the same time. Start the device normally and let the motor turn slowly. Now the data flow is coming out and the multimeter will show the corresponding voltage signal. Now use the remote control to press the second button. Press the second button with the remote control. The data stream will be 0 and the multimeter will lose the signal voltage. The ABS light on the panel will be on. Press button 2 again to resume. The data stream and the multimeter signal voltage will be restored. The fuses correspond to each other on the panel. The fuses can be removed separately. It can be used for measurement and the terminal underneath. If the fuse is damaged, please replace it with a fuse of the same size. Turn off the key switch and the power switch after use. Disconnect the 380-volt power supply.